Atmanirbhar Bharat becoming the initiative through which we can regain that prominence of India, that predominance that India has always had in determining the course for the global narrative of how countries will have to lead themselves for a betterment of their citizens, of better human values, of making better living for their citizens, but not at the cost of exploitation. Atmanirbhar Bharat in India at a time of coronavirus is a voice which the Prime Minister has given to every Indian, that we have the capability within this country, both of skill and of resources, again, both of enterprise and also that commitment for the country to build a very strong India. When Prime Minister spoke about Atmanirbhar, therefore, also underlining the point that it has got to be building India's strength so that we can stand up and take the world in our own terms and integrate with the world in such a way that we can contribute to this global economy. India is known as a bulk drug exporter. And in bulk drug exports, India has led the way for the last 10 years. And as bulk drug, we manufacture some of the life-saving drugs. And the life-saving drugs that we generically produce and send abroad, the cost is so low. Even life-saving drugs are available for middle class, poor, all around the world. People depend on us. If this is one side of the story, the raw materials for those generic products were also made in India. For instance, the active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. India used to produce its own API, and therefore became a very important factor that we had the raw material base with us, so you enlarged your capacities in producing the generic drugs. We have made sure that the country will have at least 6 large pharmaceutical and medical equipment producing dedicated areas. They are spread across 6 states, and we have made sure incentives are given to people who will come and set up business there to produce APIs, to manufacture such diagnostic equipments also. So if that is the way in which this country's strength is being brought back, it's being brought back purely on the back of this policy of Prime Minister Modi, which is the Atmanirbhar package.